In this video, we will see how to safely assemble the MSafe stairway scaffolding with a tower height of 9.4 meters. First, take the 7-rung push-on frame and the 7-rung entry frame and attach 200 mm adjustable wheels to both. The frame height is 2 meters and there is a gap of 280 mm between the rungs. Install horizontal braces on both sides to fix the frames. Adjust the wheels and check the water level to ensure that the tower is level on the even surface. Then lock the wheels to keep the tower stable in one place. To prevent scaffolding from oscillating or swinging, install diagonal braces. Install a stairway to allow workers to easily climb up and down the scaffolding and reach different heights. Install a plain platform to create a floor assembly. Next, to assemble the second floor, install push-on frames on both sides and lock and secure the frames. One guardrail is installed on the opposite side of the stairway. Install diagonal braces for stability. Install a plain platform and assemble another floor. Install a handrail along with the stairway of the first floor. To assemble another floor, install push-on frames on both sides and lock and secure the frames. One guardrail is installed on the opposite side of the stairway. Install diagonal braces and a plain platform. Install a stairway to allow workers to easily climb up the scaffolding to reach higher heights. Install a handrail along with the stairway of the second floor. To make scaffolding even safer and more secure, a 4-meter adjustable triangular stabilizer is installed on it. After that, push-on frames are attached to both sides in order to assemble another floor, and the frame is locked and secured. One guardrail is installed on the opposite side of the stairway. Diagonal braces are installed to prevent scaffolding from oscillating or swinging. Then, a plain platform is installed. A handrail is also installed along with the stairway of the lower floor, as you can see in this video. A stairway is installed on this floor as well. Now, a hinged platform is installed at the top of the stairway, which can be completely opened. A top handrail is installed with the top stairs. Two guardrail frames are installed at the top and they are securely locked from both sides. Two guardrails are installed on this guardrail frame to ensure safety even while working at the edges. Finally, toe boards are installed on all sides to prevent tools placed on the platform from falling down while working. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.